June 22nd. It rained yesterday. A fig tree, a Norfolk pine, a false sunflower, a dead black cherry tree, a red cutleaf maple, zebra grass, some hostas, nice pine, white pine, that's a serviceberry tree, cedar, there's a catalpa tree, driftwood, spirea bush, ferns, grass, cedars, my compost pit. These are for growing tomatoes upside down. My water barrel. I collect rainwater. Limestone, dolomite rock. Here's my column cacti. So the mother cactus, the baby cactus. Weeping mulberry. By the end of the summer, the branches will be right down to the driveway. It's a mugo pine. A beauty bush. Euonymus bush. A metal sculpture and my Buddha. Lavender. Echinacea. Snow in summer. A lilac tree. My giant larch tree, or you can call it by other names. I have roses down there. There's a smoke bush. Purple smoke. It's a blueberry bush. More roses. Granite. There's a collection of petrified wood that I got in New Brunswick on the beach. And some bowling balls. My rhino. my collection of glass. I keep forgetting the name of this plant. It's a fancy name, but it's a perennial. Starts with nothing. By the end of the summer, it'll be as high as that bird feeder. Weeping cedar tree, another white pine, peony bush. That green plant there is an interesting perennial that spreads and grows crazy and gets flowers late in the season. Lots of different kinds of mint, strawberries, more ferns. There's some annual flowers in that container there. I don't know what they're going to be. There's a mixture. Raspberries over there by the trellis. Another euonymus. Lots of bird baths. There's my giant red cutleaf maple that just loves the water. This is the first bush I ever got, so it's 30 years old. There's a quince bush. Oh, I forgot to show you. Can hardly wait for this to grow. It's a plumed poppy. It'll grow really, really tall, maybe 20 feet, and spread. It's a baby. That's just started this year. A friend gave me that. That's a Jerusalem artichoke. It'll grow really tall, and the flowers will be yellow at probably the end of August, maybe September. There's Twyla. She loves the grasses in the garden. She rubs against them, she sits beside them, and she chews on some of them. Twyla May. Tomato plant. Lots of different herbs like oregano and thyme, parsley. There's the parsley over there in the Egyptian pot. And some chives there for my salad in that pot there. Are you right, Twyla? You just watch for those chipmunks. You better keep your eyes open. And I like statues. Snowball bush. Another purple smoke bush. Some lettuces. My bird. Most of the stuff I have in the way of ornaments I found at thrift stores or garage sales, which cost me next to nothing. There's my garden god. He protects, he's Mexican, he protects the garden, keeps good luck. And this table was being thrown away, so I picked it up and brought it home, and the top was not in good shape, so I just bought a rock for $10 and put it on top. This rock's so heavy you couldn't move it. But anyway, I'm out here because it rained and I'm so happy.